Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And now I need download type for Lexmark C543. Here for your type here for type to download. This is why I'm search the official website for you. I might download for the official website. The official website not always easy to download for the official website. And this here for official website. You click here. And this here for the printer. You scroll down looking for title reference spot. Click here for title and click here for title. I try for it. Okay, and this here for the print, and this here for the type automatic your the type automatic your operating system, and my operating system for Windows 10. If you need change the operating system, you click here. This here for operating system for the Mac or Windows and Linux. I'm sure for the Linux, and this here for the Linux version, and not update for the Linux version, and this here for the uh, Fedora 17 and not update for the Fedora 27, 28 and 29 this year for not update for Fedora version. I'm checking for the Linux and this year for Linux version, not update for the Linux version, and now version for the Linux, now for the version for the Mac 12 Mac 11 this year for not support your Mac 12 and Mac 11. I'm checking the operating system for the Windows and this year for the Windows version. This year for update for the Windows version, and this year for Windows 11 driver, and this year for Windows 10, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, this year for Windows Server support. In this video, I'm need to download driver for Windows 11 and click here for Windows 11 and looking here this year for a new that really support your Windows 11, and this year for the language and support. In this video, I'm recommendation for you download for package, and this year for universal driver installation package for you and recommendation for you. You can click here and you click here for start download. If you it's here for you to download. If you install the for the printer, you put on the board printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC detect USB cable printer and press one. If you finish the photo load, if you finish the photo load, you double click here or you click here, you click open, you double click file, you click next and you click finish. This here for the type automatic USB cable printer. Okay, if you need question, comment below. If you need learn about the description of the video. Thank you for watching, like and subscribe my channel. See you bye next time video.